Kenny, this is, I know that this is your first visit in Bulgaria. What are your impressions regarding the country and the conference Java2Days?
Yeah, so I think it's a beautiful country, and I'm so excited to be here. And it's amazing the level of interest and the demand for the kind of content that the speakers are here talking about. And I'm very excited to be here to talk about some of the things that I find interesting, and it's a very exciting place to be.
What do you think about the level of Bulgarian developers? Your first impressions uh, about that?
So yeah, the level of skill. So I had a couple developers come up to me, ask me questions about Spring, and instead of just answering the question, I said, "Show me," and they pulled out their laptop, and they were able to walk me through the code base and say, "Here's my problem," and we did some troubleshooting together. And they were young, 22 maybe, and I was super impressed by the level of skill that they showed and things that have taken many years for me to acquire. They just picked up in a few years, and it's very exciting. Yeah.
I know that you participate usually as a speaker in other conferences for software developers. And how can you compare the level of Bulgarian developers with those in the other countries, especially in Europe?
Yeah, so I mean, open source in general is a large community, right? It's global, and so what I've seen so far from here is just the level of interest, the passion I think that the developers here in Bulgaria have. Um, it shows tremendous promise for the future of open source, just because of the level of participation that the younger generation of talented developers and engineers here are going to take part in. Yeah.
Thank you. Do you have any recommendations regarding the organization, the conference, the venue, and speaker selection?
Yeah. Please invite me back next year.
Thank you.
Yeah.